Hello, students. Welcome back. How are you today? Great. I hope you are all fine. So today we have new topic about animal sounds. Again, animal sounds.
Can you talk the animal way? Do you know what the birds say? Everyone makes a different sound as they chat on all day long. Can you talk the animal way? Do you know what the birds say? Everyone makes a different sound as they chat on all day long. The cat says meow, 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 meow. The dog says woof, 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 woof. The mouse says squeak, 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 squeak. The cow says moo, moo. The horse says neigh, 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 neigh. The pig says oink, 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 oink. The chicken says cluck, 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 cluck. The sheep says baa, baa, baa. Can you talk the animal way? Do you know what the birds say? Everyone makes a different sound as they chat on all day long. Can you talk the animal way? Do you know what the birds say? Everyone makes a different sound as they chat on all day long. The snake says hiss, 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 hiss. The frog says ribbit, 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 ribbit. The duck says quack, 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 quack. The fly goes buzz, buzz. The bear says growl, 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 growl. The wolf says howl, howl. The monkey says chatter, 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 chatter. The lion says roar, roar. Can you talk the animal way? What does a cat say?
Meow, meow, meow.
What does a dog say?
Woof, woof, woof.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a pig say?
Oink, oink, oink.
Here's some more. What does a sheep say?
Baa, baa.
What does a fly say?
Buzz.
What does a frog say?
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
What does a lion say?
Roar.
Can you talk the animal way? Do you know what the birds say? Everyone makes a different sound as they chat on all day long. Can you talk the animal way? Do you know what the birds say? Everyone makes a different sound as they chat on all day long.
Okay, before we will start, let's read our vocabulary words first. Okay, but I want you to listen to me and after we will read it all together. Do you understand? Okay, so please listen. Meow, trumpet, grunt, bark, squeak, bray, chirp, croak. Okay, this time I want you to repeat after me, okay? Please say the word meow. Trumpet, grunt, bark, squeak, bray, chirp, croak. Okay, great job. Okay, so the first one is snake. Okay, so snakes hiss. The sound of the snakes is hiss. Again, snakes hiss. Okay, let's spell the word hiss. Ready? H I S S hiss. Okay, snakes hiss. Okay, next, you can see on the screen elephant. Okay, so elephant, trumpet. Again, elephant, trumpet. So the sound of elephant is trumpet. Okay, let's spell the word trumpet. Ready? T R U M P E T. Trumpet. Okay. Next we have pigs. Okay, so look at the picture. Pigs. So pigs grunt. Again, pigs grunt. Let's spell the word. Ready? G R U N T. Pigs grunt. Okay. So next one we have, okay, dogs bark. Again, dogs bark. Okay, so let's spell the word bark. Ready? B A R K. Bark. Okay, very good. Next we have, okay, donkeys bray. Again, donkeys bray. So let's spell the word bray. Ready? B R A Y. Bray. Okay. So next we have mice squeak. Again, mice squeak. Okay, again, mice squeak. Okay, let's spell the word. Ready? S Q U E A K. Squeak. Okay. Next we have, okay, birds chirp. Again, birds chirp. Okay, let's spell the word chirp. Ready? C H I R P. Chirp. Okay, very good. Next we have frogs. Okay, so frogs croak. Again, frogs croak. Again, croak. Okay, let's spell the word. Ready? C R O A K. Okay, so frogs croak. Okay, next, cats meow. Look at the picture. Cats meow. Okay, let's spell the word meow. Ready? M E W. Okay, so next, I have here question. Okay, so teacher will ask, what animal is it? So your answer, it's a blank. Then second question, what does a blank make? So a blank. Okay, so let's try this one. What animal is it? What is your answer? It's a bird. Okay, so what does a bird make? A bird chirp. Okay, very good. Next, what animal is it? It's a cat. Okay, so what sound does a cat make? A cat meow. Okay, so it's your activity time. I want you to answer this one on your notebook. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.